What's fucking funny is that we are literally backstage talking about shows where everything went wrong. And then we walk out on stage and shit starts going wrong.